Good day, guys, and welcome again to another episode of Learning Virtual Assistants with Trainix. And today we're going to be covering how to create our own portfolio from scratch. And it's going to be very easy, very straightforward. But I'm going to be teaching you a tiny, corner way. So without wasting much of our time, let me share my screen and we'll get straight into it. Good afternoon and good evening, depending on what time you're watching this, and welcome to another episode of Learning Virtual Assistants with Trainix. And for today's episode, we're going to be tackling the most important part of being a virtual assistant, which is actually proving the fact that you can be a good virtual assistant by having an impressive and professional portfolio. Okay, so we're going to be creating this by ourselves, but we're going to be using some kind of corner around this thing. So it's it's a modern world. Nobody has to rack their brain that much again, so we're going to be using AI to build our portfolio. But we're not just going to be relying heavily on AI, we're also going to be editing it ourselves to make sure it fits our standard and fits our caliber and fits exactly what we're trying to push out there. Okay, so first off, what exactly is a portfolio? A portfolio is just a document or a website that proves to your clients that this person knows what they are doing and they've worked in this industry before and they can actually deliver on the job that they say they want to do. So what we have right here is the prompts that we're going to be feeding into our AI. I'm going to be showing you which AI we're going to be using in a matter of minutes, alright? I just want you to get conversant with the prompt. Now this is the prompt. Like I said, you're going to have to edit it to fit yourself. Now when it comes to AI, it is garbage in, garbage out. So whatever you give AI is what it will work with. So you would not give it something that is not true, okay? So when you get this prompt, edit it to fit yourself, alright? For example, when you come over here to slide 2 where you see how I can help you, calendar scheduling and inbox management, project coordination and task tracking, travel planning and itinerary creation, online research and administrative support. All these things, it has to be something that you can do. If you cannot do one of them, you delete it. Okay, so don't put out something that they would expect you to do and you end up not, how do I put it now, you don't deliver well. Okay, just put something that you're conversant with rather. Tools are used daily: Google Workspace, CRM tools, project management tools, ChatGPT. If you can use all of them, keep them there. Okay, so now this part where it says a glimpse of my work, remember I've been telling you, screenshot every single thing that you've done successfully. When it comes to building the portfolio, this is where you're going to put those screenshots. Okay, that's where you're going to, when it comes to your email management, your calendar, event creation, your CRM tools that you successfully created an account, all those things, screenshot them. You're going to be putting them under this space. Okay, so now without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the AI. So we're going to be creating a new browser over here. So this is Chrome. Like I said, always use Chrome. So when you go to Chrome, we're going to search for Gamma AI. Alright, press enter and you instantly have this. So you click on the first link here, this link, you tap on it. So this is the thing, I already have an account. Okay, so what you would have to do is try to create your own account. Tap on this start for free. Let's see if I can give you a little bit of guidance through it. Then tap on continue with Google and it will just, you tap on the Google account you want it to continue with and you just go straight. See, this is my account directly. Alright, so once you have opened this whole folder, this is everything that I've created so far. You see this create new, we're going to tap on it. This create new with AI here, we're going to tap on it. Now there's generate here. This generate, you basically tell it what exactly you want it to create. You don't give it guidance or anything, you just tell it I want you to create a cat flying. It will do that. But that's not what we want. If we do that, we're going to be giving it the liberty to determine the outcome. Okay, we are not going to do that. Then we'll come over here. Paste in text is what we are going to be using. Paste in text basically mean we're going to give you context, give you all the things you need, definition, how we want it to be, the tone, everything. So we're going to come over there, tap on it, and then you instantly have this layout here. So most times it always goes directly to presentation, but that's when you are trying to create PDF or PowerPoint. And nope, it's a modern world. Nobody's going to sit down to start reading your PDF or PowerPoint. We want to create a website directly. Okay, so we're going to come over here and click web page. That means we're going to be creating a website, and we're going to go back to our prompt, Control A, copy everything, copy, and then we'll come down here where it says type or paste, and then we're just going to Control V, paste our prompt word for word over here. And then you see this option here, we're going to click on the first one. Don't click on any other thing, just follow what I'm doing. Click on the first one and then continue to prompt editor. Now when you go to prompt editor, that is where you have the ability to edit your prompt, edit the tone, all those type of things. So this is what you have here. Okay, this part now determines the amount of words that are going to be in your portfolio. If you want the most minimal words, like short things, you come over here. If you want it to be brief but at the same time still pass your message across, come to concise. If you want it to be, how do I put it now, detailed, to have multiple paragraphs, for it to be well explained, go there. But then if you want it to be extensive, that means you want plenty words in your portfolio, you come to extensive. But I'm going to give you a trick. For any portfolio, your portfolio is meant to be concise, okay, not too much words, just evidence, okay. You don't talk too much, you just show them workings. Now this write for is basically what this thing is going to be creating for. All right, and as you can see, it has already given you that option. It's going to be creating this your portfolio for founders, entrepreneurs, and remote teams that are looking to hire a dependable virtual assistant. Okay, now the tone is going to be confident, clear, friendly, and professional, but not overly formal. That is exactly what's going to do. Now this theme is exactly how your portfolio is going to come across, the design of your website basically, and I'm going to show you how to change it. But for now we're just going to stick to this. Which one should we pick? Mini mo. Let's just pick this one for now. Okay, an image source, basically what type of image do we want in our portfolio. I'm going to show you how to change it, but for now let's stick to stock photos. Stock photos basically means it will surf the internet and get free pictures, not those ones that they will eventually come and copyright you. These are for free pictures. So if you scroll through your prompt, you see that it stops at slide 7, but over here you have 10 cards. 10 cards basically means 10 slides. So we want it to stop at slide 7, so we're going to reduce this to 7, and there you have it. And now we're going to click generate. Now just watch how it works. It works like magical, but just watch. So we're going to tap on generate. So there you have it. You instantly have your portfolio ready and go. All you have to do is just edit it to fit your taste again. Give it enough time to do what it needs to do. Don't stop it, okay? Just let it continue going. Let it continue doing its work. Alright? Okay. So there you have it. It has finished the entire work. It has done everything beginning to the end. So this is what it looks like. Alright? So now let's look at something here. Hello, I'm Emmanuel Joseph. It already has my name. I'm a dependable, detailed-oriented virtual assistant. You see, it has given you everything exactly how you want it. Alright, but now I'm going to show you how to edit it to fit your taste. Let's go up. Alright, so this part that it says contact me, you know, it's a websites you can easily click them, but this one there's nothing to click here, so we are going to change that. This part where it says contact me, we are going to put a link here. Alright, so that whenever people want to check for you or they want to actually message you, you can easily just tap on that contact me and to take them to wherever it needs to take them. So for that, we're going to be putting our WhatsApp link. Okay, you can put your LinkedIn, you can put your Instagram, you can put your Twitter, your email link, anything that would make them be able to contact you basically is what you put in that area. So we have our WhatsApp link here. We're just going to copy it. I'm using this to just show you guys as example. So again, sorry, let me show you how I did that. Just come to contact me, left click on it, or if you're using a phone, just tap on it. This will pop up. You paste your link in that box, and then this is it, link to URL. Tap on the link, and there you have it. Okay, so now if you come over here, you tap on it, you see you have your link there. Alright, now this learn more, the learn more could have any other thing you want there. It could be another website showing them more things that you've done, or it could lead them to your LinkedIn, anywhere exactly. But again, you have the creative liberty to edit it to your taste. So now something else I need to show you. You see this arrangement here? If it's not comfortable with you, you can always change it. Let's come over here. If you want to change this whole arrangement, you come over here to these three dots, you tap on it. This is how it is currently arranged. It is arranged as top circle boxes. But if we want to change that, we'll tap on this. Let's come see, we have different options. We have quotes, we have circles, we have numbers, we have images, we have sequence, we have bullet points. Let's go to boxes and put solid boxes with icon. No, let's put sideline boxes. We're going to pick that. So it has instantly changed. Let's do it again. Come over here, click on it, go to boxes. Let's pick joined boxes now. So you have this again. Let's do something else that does not involve box. Let's come to bullets. Let's pick arrow bullets. You have this like that. Let's pick something else. Let's use quotes. We have quote boxes. You have this. Alright, so that's exactly how you can change this design. Now let's move on to the next thing, which I'm going to be teaching you, is how to change images. Okay, how to change images. Like I said, edit this to your taste. Edit this to your taste. If you've not done travel itinerary samples, change it. I haven't done travel itinerary. Actually I have, but I don't want to use this for my portfolio. So what I'm going to change this to is social media management. Okay, so we'll tap on this, delete, and put social media let's say dashboard. Sorry. Okay, so you see this picture here. This picture up here is not reflecting this social media thing. Obviously you have to change this too. I hope you are aware you have to change this. So let's just change it. Let's say detailed and organized. Nope, we're going to change this to say professional insight into a month of social media management. Okay, next one could be, calendar management. Next one could be email management. Next one could be CRM tools. I'm just giving you tools and things you could put there. So now, as I was saying, this image obviously does not match what I have down here. So I want to change the image into something that proves that I have done this part before. So what I'm going to do is tap on this, tap on the image, tap on the image. Let's do that again. Tap on the image. You see this will instantly pop up, right? Let's do that again. Tap on it. So you have this here, right? So we're going to come over here to this pixel image. We'll tap on it. You see image upload. That's what we're going to click. Now we're going to upload an image that's directly in our system already. Okay, so we'll click on this. Let's go to pictures. Okay, we have these numbers, and then upload. See, it is instantly there. So this image is what is reflecting here now. Just give it a minute. You can see it's loading, and it has reflected. All right, so you instantly have that over there. So again, let's take it down. If you want to change this, you know how to change this, right? Come over here to these 3 dots, pick the one you want. Let's go to boxes, sideline boxes. That's fine by me. So these images, if you want to change it, what do? Tap on the image. Sorry, give me a minute. Tap on the image. Okay, sorry, let me show you a different way now. If you want to change the image, you tap on it. See this thing over here, it is called edit image. You can tap on edit image, click on this again, and then this will pop up, just showing you instances in case that doesn't happen. So now this place here is where your certifications happen. All right, this is where you're going to put all your certificates that would help you gain this job. So that is why it's important for you to get that certificate that we're offering you. When you get the certificate, you see virtual assistant certification. You see, we teach you technical and client management skills. So the certificate that we're going to give you, what you'd have to do is come here, tap on this picture, edit it, and then upload it from your phone or your system, and then click here to upload, pick your certificate, and there you have it. Alright, so if you have any other certificate, I think this will be the perfect time for me to even tell you. After this course, Trainix is going to be offering more courses. There's going to be graphic design, website development, video editing, so many more. So just don't leave the group chat, stay there. Alright, we'll be updating you there. So when you're done with that, the next thing here is ready to work together. This is where your client can easily just come here, and if they are ready to work with you, all they have to do is just tap on any of these buttons. So here now, if you want them to be able to just call you instantly or schedule a call, open a Calendly account, or even your WhatsApp account or your WhatsApp link will even work here. Alright, you can put your WhatsApp link there. They will text you from WhatsApp instantly, or here send a message, put your email here, your email link here. They will send you the email. I've shown you how to do that, right? Here, put your LinkedIn link here. Okay, so with all of this, you've learned how to build a real portfolio. And most times, okay, before we change anything, I need to show you how to change the theme. If you're not comfortable with this theme, you can easily just come here, edit theme, tap on it, and you see different options over here. So we're going to go over to professional, click on professional, and pick maybe let's pick this one. So we're going to pick this theme, and we're going to work with that. Alright, so it has instantly worked with everything. So if you scroll, you see that everything has changed. Okay, so now that you've done this, it has not become a website yet. You need to publish it. Alright, so to publish it, what do? You see publish over here, click on it. We're going to view it now, and voila, here we have our already created website portfolio. So let's just go through it to see if everything reflects. Remember, we changed these boxes, so this is how it's viewed now. Come down, you can see this, a glimpse of our work. Exactly, you can see our work there. See what we edited, it's still showing here. So you'd have to edit it for all of them. Okay, so let's keep going. We changed this too. Okay, let's go again. This is where you put your certification. All right, so let's go further and further and further. All right, so now let's go forward, let's go up, let's go to the top and check on the link that we put. Remember, we put our WhatsApp link here, right? So let's tap on it and see what happens. So if you tap on it, a new page should appear. Let's see. See, it instantly takes you to the Trainix WhatsApp. If I had my WhatsApp here, I would instantly be able to message them. Okay, but I have my WhatsApp here, but I don't want to go through that stress right now. But if you put another link here, if you tap on it, it will take you somewhere else. If you put your LinkedIn link at the bottom here, it will take you directly to your LinkedIn. If you put any other thing here, it will take you directly there. Alright, so that is exactly what you need to build your portfolio, and I hope you've learned a lot. And if you've done that, please consider subscribing, liking and commenting. That's one of the only things that we ask of you here at Trainix. Okay, and with that,